Welcome to the 12th part of Hypnosis Learning Program. In the previous video, we discussed about the concept of suggestion and command in detail. If you haven't watched that video yet, then please make sure to watch it. Now, after you have given all the suggestion and commands, completed the stage routines and finished the hypnosis process, the next important step is bringing the person back to normal awareness. So the question is, how do you wake up the person up? The safest and common method is by using a 5 to 1 counting technique. You will calmly guide the person by saying, with every count from 5 to 1, you will slowly and comfortably come back from this deep state of relaxation and trance, becoming more aware of your surroundings. Then begin counting slowly. 5. Slowly coming back. 4. Feeling more aware and more refreshed. 3. Returning with happiness, comfort and joyful feeling. 2. Mind becoming fresh, active and relaxed. 1. Slowly open your eyes and sit relaxed. As you speak this word, the person will gradually return to normal awareness and gently open their eyes. What if person does not open their eyes? Do not panic. This does not mean that person is stuck in hypnosis. This is very common myth and it does not happen. Simply wait for another 10 to 15 minutes and then repeat the 5 to 1 counting process. There can be several reasons why the person does not return immediately. Reason 1. The mind may be in an auto-healing process. Sometimes the subconscious mind enters a deep healing process during hypnosis. When this internal healing process is happening, the person may naturally remain relaxed for a little longer. Once the healing process heals completely to the subconscious mind, the person will naturally come back on their own. It is almost like the mind is saying, please wait, some internal repair work is still going on. Reason 2. Another very common reason is that the person is enjoying the pleasant trance state. Hypnosis can create a deeply peaceful and enjoying mental state where imagination feels extremely real and relaxing. So just imagine, no stress, no tension, complete relaxation, peaceful thoughts, pleasant imagination. Would anyone want to leave such a comfortable state immediately? Probably not. This is why sometimes the person hears your suggestions but still prefers to remain in that peaceful state for a little longer. How long can this pleasant state continue? Of course, no one remain in hypnosis permanently. This pleasant trance state may continue for 15 to 30 minutes, sometimes up to 1 hour. It is similar to having a beautiful dream during sleep where you wish the dream would continue a little longer, but eventually natural awareness returns. In the same way, hypnosis naturally ends and the person eventually opens their eyes on their own. Very important rule, never shock the person awake. You should never shake the person forcefully, shout loudly at them, splash water on their face, or suddenly pull them out of trance. Why? Because during hypnosis, the person is usually in a theta brainwave state, and we are trying to bring them back gradually into a beta brainwave state. If you suddenly force the mind back into alert awareness, it may create discomfort such as irritation, confusion, mood changes, headache, emotional discomfort. The person may feel mentally disturbed or uncomfortable afterward. So always bring back the person back gently, gradually and respectfully. The awakening process is always the same whether you are performing stage hypnosis or clinical hypnotherapy. In the both cases, gradual awakening is the safest and most professional method. What is a post-hypnotic suggestion? Now let us understand another important concept, post-hypnotic suggestions. A post-hypnotic suggestion is a suggestion that continues to influence the person even after they come out of hypnosis. The suggestions are commonly used in clinical hypnotherapy. Example of post-hypnotic suggestions. For example, after coming out of this trance state, you will continue to feel calm and confident. Every day you will feel more relaxed and focused. You will naturally feel less attracted to smoking and drinking. These are the common example of post-hypnotic suggestions. They continue working inside the subconscious mind even after the hypnosis session is complete. Mind programming through hypnosis. If you want a suggestion to remain active for a long period of time, post-hypnotic suggestion become very powerful tool. This process is often called mind programming because the subconscious mind continues to follow the suggestions even after the trance state ends. I hope that all the theory videos up to this point have helped you understand the theoretical concepts of hypnosis clearly and effectively. In the upcoming videos, we will begin exploring the practical demonstration of these techniques, and once you watch the practical sessions, you will learn many more powerful and interesting hypnosis methods. Keep practicing, keep observing, and continue learning responsibly. And more importantly, please do not try to hypnotize anyone without their permission. See you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.